First, go to the given link provided by the coordinator and click Get Started. Then, click on Create Account. Fill in your personal information following the respected requirements for each cell. Once you created your account, you can log in. When logging in, you may find a page like this. This is the phone banking script. Volunteers like you must read the script accordingly to the voter. Depending on the voter's response, volunteers must choose one of the drop-down options. If the voter supports Team Johnson, read the If Johnson script. If the voter supports Team Huddle, read the If Huddle script. If the voter is undecided or not sure, read the If Undecided script. After reading the If Johnson script, ask the voter of what method of voting they are willing to do and choose the respective choice. Then ask the voter if he or she would like a law sign. Depending on what he or she requests, choose the respective choice. After the law sign question, ask the voter if he or she is willing to volunteer. Once again, choose the respective choice. After the volunteer question, say the closing and end the call. After reading the If Huddle script, go straight to the closing and end the call. After reading the If Undecided script, wait for a response from the voter if he or she is willing to make a decision. If the voter chooses Team Johnson, go back to 110 for the Johnson response. If the voter chooses Team Huddle or is still undecided, go to the closing and end the call.